The country of Morocco is incredibly diverse. For example, in the north of the country, people mostly descend from early European farmers who brought agriculture to Morocco 7,000 years ago. But down south, like in the Souss Valley, people mainly descend from ancient hunter-gatherers who lived in the region long before farming ever began. In this video, we'll not only explore Morocco's genetic history, learning about the two ancient groups that make up most of the ancestry of Moroccans, but we'll also dive deep into what these groups actually ate, and reveal why returning to these original foods might be the key to reversing Morocco's obesity crisis today. Over here, I've got a DNA breakdown of an average Moroccan from Casablanca. Notice how about 30% of their DNA comes from an ancient group called the Ibero-Maurusians. The Ibero-Maurusians were some of the very first humans to ever live in Morocco. Today, their genes are still found all across the country. Generally speaking, the further south you travel, the more of this ancient DNA you'll see. These original Moroccans mostly ate wild plants, nuts, sheep, and snails. Even today, snails remain common in Moroccan cuisine, in dishes like babouche. But then, about 7,000 years ago, Morocco changed forever. A new group called early European farmers arrived and mixed with these hunter-gatherers. That's why when we look at the average Moroccan ancient ancestry, approximately 30% of their DNA is ancient early European farmer related. These ancient farmers brought agriculture to Morocco, especially barley, wheat, lentils, and olive cultivation. Even today, traditional Moroccan meals like couscous and olive-based tagines still carry the legacy of these early farmers. But today, Morocco's food landscape looks very different. Moroccans now consume over 30 kilograms of sugar per person each year, among the world's highest. 1 in 4 Moroccans is obese, and heart disease claims over 30% of all lives each year. Yet in the Souss Valley, Amazigh communities who still follow their ancestral lifestyle have half the obesity rates. Imagine taking these percentages, around 30% hunter-gatherer and 30% early farmer, and translating them directly into a balanced diet. What would that actually look like? Well, about half your meals, around 30%, could mimic the healthy hunter-gatherer foods. Plenty of wild herbs, snails, nuts, greens, and grilled meats. Another 30% would include ancient fiber-rich grains like barley, lentils, and olive oil-based stews. The Ancestral Academy connects your DNA results to metabolic health using AI-driven insights. If you've done a DNA test, tap the link in the description to join and start optimizing your health based on your ancient roots. See you on the other side.